How to clear and start over in H&R Block Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear and start over in your H&R Block Online account for the 2025 tax year. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you have already entered tax information, be sure to save your progress before clearing everything. This way, you won't lose any important data in case you need it later. Now, head to the dashboard or home screen in H&R Block Online. And after that, look for the option to start over or clear your return. This is usually found in the settings or preferences menu. And when you click on start over, H&R Block will ask you to confirm your choice. And once you confirm your choice, all your entered tax information will be deleted and you will be able to begin a new return. And after clearing your return, you will be taken back to the starting screen. Now, follow the on-screen instruction to begin a new tax return. You need to enter your personal details, add your income, deduction and tax credits, and you should double check your information for accuracy. And once you have entered all your details, review your tax return carefully and make any necessary correction before submitting. And then follow the prompts to file your return electronically with the IRS. And if you face any issue while clearing your return or filing, you can always reach out to the H&R Block customer support for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to clear and start over in H&R Block Online for 2025. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.